konstitusyon ang ihatag sa atua. Do you all agree with it?
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mong magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. At sa
pagkatapos ng ating youth camp, dadalhin nyo pa rin yung inyong experience. And then sabi nyo nga, bring pride to the name. Sabi ng Foundation University, bring pride to the name as Bataris member.
Ano, sa pinaka-importante nga nakita nato sa grassroots na makatabang sa ato is ang youth. Ano ang gagawin natin sa youth? Yan ang tanong niya. And then he said, let's do the Bataris movement to empower yung mga youth leaders natin.
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mong magiting ang bagong awitin. Liwanag, liwanag sa dilim.
If we indulge too much in relaxing, if we do foolish things, we still have responsibilities.
Those who does not believe in history are prone to repeat that.
That is not limited to just literal slaves like in the previous eras, but also modern slavery as well. Corporate slaves, modern slavery, slaves to the system. We cannot live in a true democracy if we have slaves in that regard.
I believe that every single one of us has the potential to be tyrants if we lose track of our morals.
Harapin mong magiting ang bagong awitin.